Hi, thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. I'll be the first to tell you that I don't have all the answers, but something is definitely afoul and afoot with today's market activity. For those of you who've been following the Vulcan Report, the gold position in the ticker symbol GLD, that stop loss was triggered. Those of you who traded that, you should be stopped out with a small loss on that one, but that's okay. Shake it off. We'll get back in there and find another entry point. But the other weekly projections that I gave Sunday night, all of those trades have worked out and are in the money. Those of you on the sidelines, get ready because something is definitely about to go down. What you're looking at right now is a sell-off in the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and its tradables, which is the diamonds, the spiders, and the Qs, oil, and the US dollar. That's what you're looking at right now, okay? And gold and silver. All right? Something is definitely not right. All right? Traditionally speaking, when non-correlated entities and assets, they move inversely of each other. So when one is up, the other is down, and vice versa. In today's activity, you're saying quite the opposite. And there's something that's just not right. There is someone is operating. I don't know who it is. I don't know if it's the the working group, the PPT, or some foreign asset or entity or individuals, but even though this is a holiday week and we're doing all this on light volume, something is afoot. And I can't put my finger on it. I don't know what it is, but what you're looking at is not normal activity. I can't stress that enough. It's not normal. The casino has been rigged. Someone is up to something. Let me just point out just a few things real quick. This is a quick video. I'm a little pressed for time. Starting with the Dow. Right now, as you can see, I told you about the May the 6th inflection points. I said that we will consolidate within the range of the high and the low of that day, and that until we close below or above that, really there's nothing going on in the market, nothing to see here. Well, that has now changed, okay? Based on today's trading activity, we're set to close below the low of May the 6th. That is extremely significant. That means that we're ready to put in a powerful downturn in the stock market. And when I say powerful, I mean extremely powerful, mind-boggling powerful. Same thing with the S&P 500. Take a look. Same chart. NASDAQ 100. Same chart. Looking at your diamonds, same chart. Spiders, same chart. Here's the Q, same chart. Look at your oil, same type of a chart. We already closed there. The oil is kind of like trading ahead, or I should say the petrodollar is ahead of the curve. It's been trading below that May 6th inflection point, and then it managed to get back up, and now it's coming back down again. So it's still significantly below that. USO is no different. Look at the dollar, though. Look at the US dollar. We are now at a serious crossroads in the US dollar. We've maintained a strong dollar policy for quite some time now, as the world has looked at the US as being in better financial shape than the rest of the world, which we know is a lie. So now the market is starting to price that in, and current price action is indicating that the jig may be up. And we're going to start seeing severe and substantial weakness in the dollar as compared to its foreign counterparts. Looking at bonds, something else to note here on the longer end of the yield curve, we're breaking out now into new highs. What that means is that the yields are going to remain low. As this powerful uptrend continues, and the stronger it gets, the more the prices are going to remain low on the yields with these bonds, and interest rates will stay at zero. This ensures that they stay at zero. we're not going to start seeing inching up in rates until the bond prices start to come down. And same thing with your gold. It's bumping around support, but we could be in trouble based on how much we sell off today. Same thing with the gold miners here with GDX. It's even more significant than the GLD. Your silver, same thing. Looking at your commodities right now, looking at your meats, as you can see, it's flirting with disaster to the downside. So the only thing that's not is the grains. Now look at the grains. Look at this breakout in the grains. What that is telling us is that there may be, like I said, there's something going on, because whenever you see a breakout like that, you know, they plant corn and soybeans, you know, in the same field basically. So how can one be down and the other one be up? There's something going on. Now I know we're using the corn for fuel, fossil fuels and stuff and all that. I'm not so well versed in that, but I do know that we're using our corn in many different things, just like oil is. Looking at your other commodities, your softs starting to tick up. Something's going on. There's been a decoupling of correlations and a breakdown in things, and it's just not normal. I just wanted to point that out. Something's going down. I don't know if we're about to bomb Iran or some type of invasion or false flag or whatever, but something doesn't feel right about the activity. And when I get more information, I'll let you know. In the meantime, be encouraged. Thanks for your support. Peace out.